Xin chào, Ni Hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will show you make a beautiful turtle from an apple. I have this apple. This one really yummy and juicy, but not talk about taste apple today. We talk about how to make a turtle. Let's do it. Hopefully you guys can see. Here we need one apple. Also we will need the knife. Look like this. V or firm. First, we cut the apple like this. So see, not like half, but one side you think a little thick and one side like this. So this one we say for the cell. Now, oh, and say the C for the I. Now let me see. So you have to chop a body. Use a small knife. So one side have a C and more bigger than another side. We will make the body. Let me see so you clearly a little bit. This one smaller than this one. And now, let me. So, you see the stem. You have to make a center so you guys can see the stem. Look, we can say this one right here. Let me cut out so yeah. So. Not. And then this side, this side. You can feel the juice, the juice come out. You be careful when you use the knife on. Why be careful? I don't want to chop my finger up. I might get all there. This side is thin. This thin a bit. So here, you see, right here, cut like this, say right here. This one, I don't know, did not come out yet. So now, here. So, have look like this. So this one the bottom of the turtle. And then, see right here, you cut just this much. Let me show you. Cut out this one. Here, look, here, see this one safe for the head. I almost chopped the head off. And then we will cut. So right here, the turtle have 4 legs, right? So here I will, right here, you cut the V right here, and hopefully you can see. If you're the first time cut turtle and something happens, please don't give up. Try to do it again. The first time I cut and then here look. So here you cut V, 1V, 4V, and now we cut like this for the leg. So, you see it more clearly. You like it? One leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, 4 leg, like it. And now, if you want, we can take care of the head first. However, when we cut the cell, we push on top like this. See? So now we take care of the head. We make like a try to save the head a little bit. And here you have to cut the mouth for the turtle. Oh, sorry, maybe move too close the camera. Here, look, cut the mouth for the turtle, and now we have the eye and the head right here, and we put the eye on here. We go too quick. One eye. Oh, I have to get another eye. This one. You the C. You just circle like this and make a hole so we can put the eyes inside. Look. This is the bottom. Cut here. First, you cut here first. 4V, and then you cut this side to make 4 legs. And then we have a body. We push right here. So you have to make a cell. So here, this is the from the apple, where the stem is. So here we will start from here to make a cell. So you think about it. Let's see. First, we will go around the apple first. So yeah. Hold the apple, go like this. See clear? Yeah. Next time I will show you from make the fish from tomato. Beautiful fish. I love that. You cut from down here all the way. way down here, just like this. And now we cut. We start from here. So if you want, I go like this first, and then we will cut here to make the cell look like real. My knife is sharp. Sorry, my knife did not cut right here, so I use small knife. Before I don't have this tool, so I have to use small like this and just keep cut the skin up. In here we have the first one like this, and now you just connect this one. Connect this one to here. This one to here. Then we connect this one to down here. So here, and then you just continue cut like this. My knife just not cut. Well, you just continue and cut it. Make it look, we finished. We finished the cell. Look. Have to clean this one up. My knife did not cut tray clear, so I should make the turtle a little bit clear. Okay. Look, this is my cell. You continue cut right here. Before put the cell on, you have to cut the fish. So here, just like this. almost done. You can cut that. This turtle many times you want to surprise your family, your friend. Well, they. I cut for my friend. My friend said, "Oh my God, beautiful turtle." I hope this one not way too long for you. So. Cut it. Here, da-da. Look. We have a turtle. Hope you love it, and thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.